Shall I buy this?
Shall I buy it for you? So Mother Singh, where are we today?
We are at Ikea.
Yay! Are you excited?
Super excited.
What are you going to buy me?
Home furnishings.
Oh no. Alright. That's a cushion cover. I need to buy a cover for that. It's not a cover, sorry, it's a cushion. I need to buy a cover. This seems to be the organizing section. You can buy something like this and open it. What section? The pillow cover section, pillows and the cover. Slightly on the higher side. I think the prices are a little expensive, but I just love beddings. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And look at this. Sleeping under this will be so nice. 5,000, 6,000, so many options and cheap options here. And I own one, and hence I know the wood is also quite sturdy. I can definitely vouch for it.
I'll buy this.
What is it?
I'll buy it.
Wow. Shall I buy this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like it? $100 for it?
Yeah.
6 pieces, 8 pieces. Okay. I think it's a toy hair bin. And I can see all the toys are like 500, 700, 800 bucks. Not, I don't think so. It's very cheap. But I'm sure your kids are going to love this place. Right? Shall I buy it for you? There's a cup tea sauce set. It's a nice rug. Yeah. And you can always, if you're lost, you can always, you know, look for these masks. And you guys can just go. It is quite crowded today. You can see it's a long queue. Which cake do you want?
I want chocolate cake.
Oh, okay. This one?
Yeah.
Alright. Chocolate. Amazing. That's our food. We're here for billing. Famous Sweden meatballs. As you can see, there's a lot of plastic here. You can buy a lot of stuff like for storage, but we did not end up buying that much from this section because, you know, we don't really favor that much of use of plastic. Kitchen section is massive here. Even I want to buy a sauce pot. Lot of options for throw, yeah. Amazing stuff. Soft wool type. The grey one which you see is the 149 only. But there are a lot of other things. The material is like jute. Like you can see, it's jute. Yeah. No. A lot of plastic stuff here. You can see. Plants are really healthy. And as for my sister, they're quite affordable here. You can pick up your furniture from here. You go to the right alley. And you want to collect it, you can pick up the furniture. Otherwise, they can deliver to you for $500. How much do you think you bought Ikea material from? For
15?
15,000? This is what, 15,000?
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Let's see.
Where we
I
get
say
the
we are going to spend 10. What do you say? 15?
15.
Alright, let's see. And whoever is closer will pay the bill.
There's a coffee shop and